Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing how I dome my pieces without using liquid latex. All I use is Elmer's glue. Yes, Elmer's glue, the kind that's used in school, and it's a much cheaper option than latex. I just spread the glue over the areas I don't want the resin to stick to. And I put on a generous amount so it'll be easier to peel off once it dries. I'm coating my coasters so I can dome the top to seal the names that I have on them. Next, I mix equal parts of my resin and start pouring, aka doming or flood coating. And then I take my wooden stick and I spread the resin around my coaster evenly. It's okay if the resin goes over the edges because the glue is acting as your barrier just like the liquid latex would. Now that the resin is hard, we can now remove the glue. As you can see, the resin came off the sides, but like I stated earlier, that's okay because the glue protected me from an entire headache. Just watch how easy it peels off. And don't worry if it gets a little stuck, it will come off. You just have to work with it. Sometimes when it doesn't go over the edges, you get a real nice peel. And if you live for those just like I do, then you'll enjoy this next part. If you feel like this video helped you, please like so YouTube can recommend this video to other creators who might be looking for an alternative to liquid latex.